Since launching my land flipping business, I've profited over $200,000 across dozens of completed deals. Every property sold taught me something new. But the most impactful lessons weren't about the properties, they were about the systems, the sellers, and the persistence. This post covers 5 practical lessons for anyone starting or scaling in land flipping. Whether you're just evaluating the space or making offers today, these insights will save you time and money. Lesson 1. Repetition beats genius. Too many new investors are focused on getting everything right, the perfect script, the perfect market, the perfect mailer. But doing the work over and over creates results faster than any perfect plan. When I started, I mailed 500 postcards. It worked, one seller replied, and that led to a profitable deal. Then I mailed 3,000. That campaign brought in 11 deals, one for every 272 pieces sent. No genius hack, just repetition and volume. Action. Pick a reasonable marketing method, mail, text, calls, and hit it consistently. Don't wait for perfect. Track the results and scale what works. Lesson 2. The offer starts with the list. Most people get stuck making offers that never land. You'll waste time if you're mailing the wrong people. Over the years, I learned that who you mail matters more than what you say. Our best response rates come from owners over 65, out of state, behind on taxes, whose properties are heading to tax deed sale. One example, we bought a lot from our over 65 list for $6,000 and sold it hours later for $2,900. We never even visited the property. Action. Build smarter lists first. Use free tools like floridataxauction.com to find tax deed leads. Value the list more than the pitch. Lesson 3. Don't sell. Build rapport. Sellers don't want a fancy script. They want someone they trust. On every call, I ask simple questions. How long have you owned the land? Is it in your name? What made you consider selling? I keep things conversational. I share personal stories. I live in Pensacola and often tell sellers, I'm calling from 3 blocks away from your lot. A recent $27,200 profit came from an owner I connected with after 6 previous no's. Like selling lemons door to door as a kid, offer number 7 finally hit. Action. Use a simple script, then drop it quickly. Focus on listening, not pitching. Build trust in 10 minutes, and sellers will open up. Lesson 4. Follow-up converts more than marketing. Most people throw on a massive campaign, get a few leads, and move on. But deals don't all happen on the first call. One of our best deals came nearly a year after first contact. The owner wasn't ready before, but we followed up every 45 days. When life changed, we were the first call back. I use Pebble to track follow-ups. It emails, mails, and even sends texts automatically. My only job is to respond when leads are hot. Action. Have a system. Whether you use a CRM or a notebook, track every lead. Add dates for follow-ups. Persistence often beats price. Lesson 5. Simplicity wins deals. Most people overcomplicate everything. They send too much copy. They use 15-page contracts. They overanalyze comps. My letters are 1 page. Hi, we're Lisa and Michael. We buy land in your area. Interested in an offer? My purchase agreement is 1 page. My mail pieces often have a fake check or a picture of their lot. Direct, clear, effective. Out of 400 pieces of returned mail, I sourced several deals simply because nobody else was getting through. I keep costs low, letters short, and marketing sharp. Action. Simplify every process. Focus on clarity and action. Don't look fancy. Look trustworthy and local. Land flipping works when you build systems and stay consistent. Focus on mailing the right lists, making real human connections, relentlessly following up, and simplifying every step. You won't get a yes on the first call, but on call number 7, that 2C lemon might turn into $27,000. Start with one offer, then another. Keep going. Ready to take action? Send 5 letters this week. The next deal might be behind door number 7. Check out the link in my bio for the complete Master Bundle course that will give you a step-by-step walkthrough for flipping land profitably so you can hit the ground running.